Hello and Namaste. I am Avinash Salunke, the founder of Pestosys LLP. We are a startup dedicated in making our communities safer and more harmonious for both human and animals. We have developed a product named Animal Out that acts as a non-lethal deterrent to keep stray animals away from specific areas. Its unique solution is little bitter in taste and offensive in smell to animals. It has the ability to stay in their memory for an extended period of time. Accidents involving stray animals on railway track are a significant problem in our country. Our recent tragic incident, a big accident to Vande Bharat train, is a case in point. We at Pestosys LLP believe that our product Animal Out can play a critical role in mitigating these unfortunate incidents. We are asking for the opportunity to test our product in small pilot project where it can be monitored and evaluated by the Indian Railways by their own team. We know you must have tried several solutions and we appreciate that those all efforts. But if there is a chance that Animal Out could improve the situation, isn't it worth for exploring? Why don't you try? We humbly request the Indian Railway to give us an opportunity to prove the efficacy of our product. We are confident that with your cooperation and our innovation, we can bring about a significant positive change. We believe in a future where our railway are safer for all human and animal alike. Thank you for considering our appeal. Jai Hind. For more detail, please contact us. Thank you.